guys, we are back with another video, and that's my cat. And that's another cat which went under the porch. Hi, Sissy. That's Buddy. Pretty girl. Buddy, filming you. Do you care? Send you on YouTube. Alright, you don't want to be a star. Oh, look what I found over here. A whole bunch of kittens playing with each other's tails. Sissy, I'm filming you. Send you on YouTube. Alright, bye. Coco, which is over there. This is Stitch, and back there with the ears, Lilo. There she is. Stitch right there is a boy. Girl. The other one, Sissy, was a girl. Pretty girl. Buddy, boy. That's a girl. That's a girl. That right there is a girl. Right over there is a girl. And right over here is a boy. And that is a girl, and that Lilo's a girl. Pretty girl's a girl. Sissy Kitty is a girl. Buddy is a boy. Stitch, boy. Skinny.
Take a look at this.
What happened?
Just got surrounded in mosquitoes.
Alright, I'm out then. Bye. I don't want to get bit today. Sissy. Where's my pretty girl? Pretty girl. The other kittens. Anyway. So, I am going to sand. My nice car. Mom's nice car. I'll play house. The porch. The porch. Buddy! I'm filming you! Hi, Buddy. Hey! Okay. You don't want to say hi to me? Please, I'm filming you! I'm filming you and I'm sending you on YouTube! Alright, that's the end, Buddy. Dun, 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 dun. That is not a tennis racket.
That's a fly.
It's a fly, Dad. Leave the fly alone. It doesn't mean to harm you. But the mosquitoes do.
He flew right to it. Not the fly, the mosquito.
It just went like, whoop.
Flew right to it and standing there.
Because it's attracted to light.
No, there's no light. Or attracted to land on it.
Anyway, bye.